friends, in this video we are going to learn the optimi best WordPress speed optimization services. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. So for this you can use the plugins to speed up your websites. So first of all we have Autoptimize. See, it has 1170 downloads and it is used for the speed booster pack, ECT and cache mapper, WP super cache, Cloudflare, everything is wrapped up in this plugin. So you can use this for optimizing your website. Second one, we have the Lightspeed Cache for the WordPress that has 2 plus million active downloads, right? So you can use this plugin and go to the download of the Lightspeed caches, download all in one. So you get the one from one Lightspeed. So here you can download this code and install it and configure accordingly. Next we have the WP Rocket, that is the build plugin. So you can use that and it is definitely make your website super fast. I have used that plugin and you can use that uh, to get your optimized website. Next we have that 50 plugin, that is a WP fastest cache. How many downloads? That is 3000 more downloads of this cache file. So you can 1 million plus installation, so you can install this plugin and configure accordingly and make your website super fast. Next we have WC Total Cache, one of the most used plugin, right? It has 3067 plugin that is rated by this. So you can also set up this plugin to make your website. It has much more features in that, like caching the database objects, caching fields, sites, everything is there. Next we have the Smush lazy load images, optimize and compress images. Images is very crucial role for optimizing, so you need to optimize the images so you can use the Smush, right? It has 5000 downloads to optimize your lazy load bulk images and all. Next we have the cache enabler. It has 97, so you can leave it. So it has like less downloads, but you can try and check whether it is compatible, giving you the best results or not. It says that works perfectly with the auto optimizer and majority of the other third-party plugins. So it is, so basically what it is used by the is a simple, powerful WordPress caching plugin that is easy to use, needs no configuration, best helps improve site performance all time, load time, right? Next we this is different. This is WP Super Cache. It has 948 downloads. 99% of visitors will be served static HTML files. One cached file can be served thousands of times. So you can also use this plugin. Next we have the performators. So you can use this plugin. You can go and check the downloads of this plugin into this one. Delaying.js, that is used for that. So I don't know what plugin you use, but you use rather than decide the possibilities. Right. Next we have Nitro Pack. We are going to use for the WordPress, so you can use this also. That is used to increase conversion rates and all. Right. Next we have the WP Super Cache we have already discussed. WP Fastest Cache discussed, and WP Optimized Cache Clean, it has 1000 downloads. Okay, so these are the most important plugins. But if we say quickly which one of the best one, then you can use WP Optimize, Auto Optimize, and W3 Total Cache, and WP Rocket as a bit plugin. You can also use that. These plugins I have used, and it has the very good optimization speed for the WordPress. Also, you can do with the HTSS file. That is also easy to make your website running fast. Okay, so best method that these are what the plugins they are doing. They are what they are doing. They are enabling the zip. They're enabling the caching file for the venue, and they will minimize your CSS and JS, delaying JavaScript, and optimize your all the images, lazy loading for the images, and if you want to use the KCTN, you can use that's all the static files come from the third party server, and the speed of the website gonna increase. So these are the 6 7 steps that the plugins are doing. So you can do with this help of plugins and efficiently. You can also optimize the database, right, with this plugins. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.